Coming to Anumana Pramana in diagnostic aspects. In diagnostic aspects, Anumana Pramana is very important. We all have previously studied about the examples of Agni and Bala. We will be able to assess about Agni based on the digestive capacity. Here Agni is the Grahya Bhava and the digestive capacity is the Pariksha Bhava. Bala, we will be able to assess the Bala based on the physical activities. Here Bala is the Grahya Bhavas, and based on Grahya Bhavas, Bala is the Grahya Bhavas and physical activities is the Pariksha Bhavas. While diagnosis of a disease, when we have some doubts regarding some invisible things, we will go for Prashna Pariksha. Here, the doubts or the invisible things is considered as the Grahya Bhavas that we should infer. And Prashna Pariksha or interrogation is the Pariksha Bhavas, by which we will infer that there is the presence of so and so. Medha or intelligence is the Grahya Bhava and Grahanena is the Pariksha Bhava, means power of comprehension. This is especially important in the case of neurological diseases or in the diagnosis of neurological diseases. If there is a difficulty in the power of comprehension or Grahana, then we should understand that there is difficulties in Medha. Coming to Sakya or recognition. This is a Grahya Bhava and the Pariksha Bhava for this is Nama Grahanena, by the ability to remember the name. This is also very important aspect in the diagnosis of coma or neurological related conditions like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, etc. If there is a difficulty in the Namagrahana, then we can diagnose that there is the underlying disease conditions. Coming to Smriti or memory. This is a Grahya Bhava and the Pariksha Bhava for this is Smaranena, the power to remember. This is very important in disease conditions like coma, where it is necessary that there should be the power to remember. If there is no power to remember, then it will help us to diagnose that the patient is suffering from coma-like underlying conditions. Coming to an end to Anumana Pramana, Series 7, Part 4, to be continued in Part 5.